Hi, I'm Bruce Busby, president of RootsMagic. Now earlier this month when we shared our video of RootsMagic 8 and some of its basic functionality, several people brought to my attention that I forgot to show the mapping, and that's true. I was going through showing all the screens and I skipped right over the mapping. So let's go ahead and take care of that right now. Okay, the mapping in RootsMagic 8 is going to be under the Places tab. So when I select Places and bring up that place view, I'm going to have two different views here, and I only showed the one. Showed this one, the place list, the master place list, where you can edit places and so on. But I forgot to click on this map view to show the map view. And so when you come into the map view, in RootsMagic 7, you were limited to only being able to show the places that were associated with a single person or a single person and their immediate family members. Okay, we're getting rid of that restriction in version 8. And so when I come over here to see which people I want to map, if I have created any groups for the people using those the named group features, those groups will show up right there, and I can just select one of them and I can see not only the people that are in that group right here, but I can see all the places associated with the people in that group. And of course I can go and zoom in, see more detail here. You'll notice that there's one dot right here that's red and the rest are all blue at this point. That's because the red dot, the red place, is a place that's associated with the person I have highlighted. If I go select a different person, different dots will become highlighted as red. So that's just a quick indicator that will show me, let me click a person, select a person in this group or in whatever group of people I'm showing, and I can see the places specific to them while I'm still seeing all of the places associated with the group as a whole. Now as I hover over a place, you'll see that it's going to show me what that place is. And if I click on a place, you're going to see that it pops up a list of, in this case, just one event, but it will show you all the events that happened within this place that are associated with this group of people. So in other words, this is not going to be a list of every event in that place for the whole database. It's going to be the people, the events for a place for this specific group. Okay, now I'm not limited to just groups, so I can also come up here and say I want to select from a list. Okay, and this is, as I mentioned, instead of being limited to the events or the places for a single person, I can come in here and I can select whichever people I want. I've got a checkbox, I just check the ones I want, or I can come up here and I can mark people. I can mark everybody, I can mark families, I can mark ancestors or descendants or genetic lines or anything like that, or I can select people based on data fields. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say I want to select everyone whose birth place contains Mass. And it's from Massachusetts, I just don't know how to spell it, but that's close enough. And that's going to mark 26 people. So there's 26 people here that were born in Mass. And I select OK, and now I have those people are listed right here in the list, and their places are displayed on the map right here. And as I zoom in, I would expect to see a lot of dots in Massachusetts, and that's exactly what I'm seeing right here. And as I move through the list, you'll see certain dots for certain people turning red. Okay, showing me the places that are specific to that person. Now, if I want to make a change to one of these people, if I see a place right here, if I select a place right here, and it shows me something, and I feel like I want to change that person, I can do that. I can come up here and just click on the little pencil up here, and that will let me edit whoever's right here on the screen. It'll open up their edit screen. So anyway, so that's an overview of the mapping. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching. We're going to be doing a lot more of these videos showing what's coming in version 8, and I'll talk to you again soon.